In this video, I will teach you how to create a login page in Google Sites. So if you already have an account, you first need to head over to sites.google.com and you will be prompted to sign up or create an account on your actual Google part. So if you already have a Google account, which on my case I already did, you can see that you will be automatically signed in right here and you can now see the recent sites that you have created and you can also create a new site from there as well. Since I already have an account, I now have access to all of this. Let me head over and open here this. Once you have opened this, you can see this. So let's head over to our pages and we have in here these pages. Let's click onto this new page right here and let's name this login. And then in here, you can see the advanced option. You can add in here a custom path as well. Now let's click on done and as you can see, this will be added. Now let's click onto this login page and you should be able to find it right here all together. So this is just a placeholder for that. So what you can do is you can click onto this insert and insert or embed right here some login options. We also have table of contents, button, placeholders, and the likes. So in this case, let's head over and then input right here a login option. You can do so by embedding a third-party login prompt, like for example on Elf site. On your elf site right here, you can input and put in here login. We have in here form builder. You can actually utilize that and then embed it into your site directly in order to have a login page that you can actually use for this case as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope we teach you how to create a login page in Google site. I hope this tutorial is especially helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.